What to expect during the car shipping process. Shipping your car can be a straightforward and stress-free experience when you understand the steps involved and know what to expect. Whether you're relocating, buying a vehicle from another state, or sending a car to a family member, having a clear picture of the car shipping process can help you prepare and ensure everything goes smoothly. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we specialize in providing reliable and efficient car shipping services. In this guide, we'll walk you through the car shipping process and provide tips to ensure a successful transport. Steps in the car shipping process. Here are the key steps involved in the car shipping process. 1. Research and choose a reputable auto transport company. The first step in shipping your car is to select a reputable auto transport company. Look for companies with positive reviews, transparent pricing, and a proven track record of reliable service. How to choose: check reviews, read customer reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Verify credentials. Ensure the company is registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, and has a valid motor carrier, MC, number. Ask for quotes. Obtain quotes from multiple companies to compare pricing and services. Route Runners. Auto Transport is a trusted provider with extensive experience in car shipping, offering competitive rates and exceptional service. 2. Get an accurate quote. Contact the chosen auto transport company to request a quote. Provide detailed information about your vehicle and transport requirements. Information to provide: make and model of the vehicle, year of the vehicle, pickup and delivery locations, preferred transport dates, any special requirements, e.g., non-operational vehicle, enclosed transport. Route Runners Auto Transport offers free, no-obligation quotes with transparent pricing, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. 3. Choose the right transport method. Decide whether you want open or enclosed transport for your vehicle. Each method has its benefits and considerations. Open transport, cost-effective and widely available. Suitable for most standard vehicles. Vehicles are exposed to weather conditions and road debris. Enclosed transport provides maximum protection from elements and road debris. Ideal for luxury, classic, and high-value vehicles. More expensive than open transport. Route Runners. Auto Transport offers both open and enclosed transport options to meet your specific needs. 4. Schedule your transport. Once you've selected a transport method, schedule your transport dates with the auto transport company. It's best to book your transport well in advance, especially during peak seasons. Route Runners Auto Transport provides flexible scheduling options to accommodate your timeline and ensure timely delivery. 5. Prepare your vehicle for transport. Properly preparing your vehicle for transport is crucial to ensure a smooth process. Here are some steps to follow. Clean your vehicle. Wash the exterior and clean the interior to make it easier to inspect for any existing damage. Document the condition. Take clear, high-resolution photos of the vehicle from multiple angles. Note any existing damage or issues and share this information with the transport company. Remove personal items. Remove all personal belongings from the vehicle. Most transport companies do not cover personal items left inside the car. Check for leaks. Ensure there are no fluid leaks, as these can cause issues during transport. Secure loose parts. Remove or secure any loose parts or accessories to prevent damage during transport. Route Runners. Auto Transport provides guidance on how to prepare your vehicle for transport to ensure a hassle-free experience. 6. Vehicle pickup. On the scheduled pickup date, a professional driver will arrive at your specified location to load your vehicle onto the transport trailer. The driver will conduct a thorough inspection and document the vehicle's condition on the bill of lading, which you will sign. Route Runners Auto Transport ensures that your vehicle is securely loaded and handled with care throughout the transport process. 7. Track your shipment. Many auto transport companies offer tracking services to keep you updated on the status of your shipment. Use these services to monitor the progress of your vehicle during transit. Route runners. Auto Transport provides advanced tracking options, allowing you to stay informed about your vehicle's location and estimated